fire 47, engine 4511 for an accident with rescue. For a vehicle into a house on fire with possible entrapment, non-conscious. 3845 North